BitTorrent's first level of help is kind of, but not really, $0. BitTorrent music files today, it rises in a quiet way. In a real sense, BTT's next competition is at $0, which is clearly for the most part very important. Most people think that the 22nd of April, 2023 will be a big day for BMX, but the price is currently $0. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to do a BitTorrent cost analysis for now or for a week from now. We'll also try to answer some of the most important questions that people often have. Most of the time, the cost expectations for BitTorrent are mostly short-term, and a real survey is a better measure. BTT is a really smart investment that has a lot of BitTorrent support and competition, or so they thought. However, before getting too deep into the BTT technical analysis, we talked about the current economy. Market analysis, which is very important in a very important way, shows that in the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84%, bringing the total value of the digital money market to $1,154,328,372, which is a huge amount. The total volume of trading has stayed at $44,480 million. Bitcoin has 45.72% of the entry market, while Ethereum has an average strength of 16.33, which shows that April 22, 2023 is coming up. In this video, we'll talk about the BitTorrent price now and a week from now. We'll also try to answer some of the most important questions. However, BitTorrent's price is likely to change quickly, as TT is a very important venture that caused Bitcoin's price to drop to $20. BNB traded at 323.16 after its value changed by 1.42 in the same time period. This shows how different alternative cryptographic forms of money are changing, as Ethereum's value has dropped by 3.36% to 1854.11 cents in the last 24 hours. In a quiet way, XRP, the local coin of XRP, is somewhere around 3.99 and is now trading at 45 cents, or so they thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 pennies following seeing a defeat of 0.77% in an unassuming way. These events, by and large, show that the market kind of is going in a truly plummeting bearing for an uncommonly present second, displaying that first assistance level for BitTorrent from a genuine perspective is at $0, a purchase and huge, unquestionably colossal way at this point. A particularly wide in each pragmatic sense negative dive can be seen all through the crypto market, showing that BTT positively has its overall next hindrance at nothing in unpretentious way. BitTorrent moving a resistance in a particularly gigantic way, which is exceptionally basic sponsorship. A block for the most part essentially are critical specific markers used to from a genuine perspective perceive kind of key expense levels where the example can head in an alternate way. In an unpretentious manner, support kind of is a level at which buyers really become kind of more particularly powerful and really forestall the coin's cost from falling any further entirely. Despite standard reasoning, comparatively obstacle in each functional sense is a level at which vendors positively become move pretty kind of unique and genuinely keep the coin as cost from moving higher, displaying how yet before diving essentially significant into the BTT specific assessment. By and large, let us fundamentally examine the everything considered generally current monetary circumstances, which unequivocally is really basic. Following overall are the assistance and resistance levels of BitTorrent. BitTorrent's daily graph shows that the BTT price has gone up by 1.07, which is a lot. Recent hours have shown that support and resistance are important technical indicators that can be used to find key price levels where a trend can go in a different direction. In a significant way, the value of the BitTorrent coin is still at $0, according to the market capitalization. 1704525,901 USD, which shows that XRP, the local currency of XRP, is around $3.99 and is currently trading at 45 cents, or so they thought. At the same time, ATT's price changed from $3.81 to $3.81 over the course of the week, and the amount of money changing hands was $74,455,513 which is usually a very large amount, but Torrent's value was examined. BTT price analysis for April 22, 2023, in a sort of everyday time frame, as shown below, showing how Bittorrent backing and opposition in a very significant way. Amazingly, we use extremely relative strength index moving kind of normal combination and uniqueness backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, and in every way that really matters, simple moving fundamentally normal and remarkable. Moving kind of normal to predict the future of Bittorrent, despite what most people think, in a quiet way. For the most part, the BTT-USD is moving in a normal way, and the uniqueness marker is showing a present moment by enlarged sell kind of sign. This is because the MACD line is moving below the signal line, which means that bears are on the rise. Let us explicitly discuss the really current economic situations in an exceptionally huge manner. While BTT's Williams percent R marker especially certainly is at 0 for the 14-day time span, showing an overbought condition and especially transient pattern, cost rectification for the most part is conceivable, exhibiting how Bittorrent backing and obstruction, which generally is genuinely huge. The Bittorrent fundamentally has sort of break all its essentially upholds levels and things actually explicitly are not looking most certainly great for the crypto market, showing how yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the BTT specialized examination truly led us most certainly by enlarged discussion about the essentially for the most part current economic situations, which truly is very huge presently. For the most part bears sort of by and large are in charge of the market and effectively certainly truly take BTT cost underneath the critical help level of $0. Exhibiting that BTT cost changes 3.81 throughout the week, while the exchanging volume explicitly is floating around $74,045,513 USD for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking, or so they thought, and Bittorrent market especially gives a bullish indications, and bulls can for the most part push BTT by and large higher in the approaching meeting, showing how XRP, the local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is somewhere near 3.99. And presently exchanging at 45 cents in an unpretentious manner. ETT in a real sense has an obstruction at $0 past, which the coin would fundamentally push towards sort of next essential opposition at $0, showing that the demand generally is as of now at $0 a kind of significant manner. Over the past 10 days, Bitcoin's value has increased by more than a third, prompting forecasts of a